First, let's begin by installing the plugin from a zip file. After activating the plugin, you will take a quick tour of the setup wizard. The first step will be choosing the size chart position on the product page, then select size chart templates to display, and finally click. You will have an overview of the size chart on the product page. Let's move on to creating size chart templates and designing them. Go to the dashboard, size chart, add new to create a new size chart. A new size chart page opens. Now name this template and publish it. Click on Go to Design, and you will be redirected to the Customizer, where you can personalize your size chart. Select from various predefined layouts that fit your design needs. Click on the plus button to add different components like tabs, accordions, images, tables, text, and dividers. Click the Edit button to customize each component. Adjust the content, font style, colors, and alignment to ensure the design matches your style and is easy to read. Once you've completed your design, click Publish to make the size chart live. The newly created size chart will appear on the list. Now let's move on to assigning rules to the size chart. Set specific rules for where the size chart should appear. For example, assign it based on the customer's location by editing the size chart template and selecting a country to show. Go to edit the size chart template, select country to show. In the Assign option, you can set conditions to assign the size chart. It can be assigning the size chart to all products. This means the size chart will appear on all products. To specific products which are assigned, assign the size chart based on the product type. Assign based on the product visibility conditions. Assign the size chart to products that have been tagged with specific labels. Use the product's shipping class to assign. You can also use combined rules for multiple conditions like category, tags, and product types. You can also customize the size chart templates applied to a specific product. Method 1. Front-end customization. On the product page, customize WooCommerce Size Chart design. The Select Size Chart drop-down will display all templates applicable to the product. Method 2. Go to the Size Chart template, go to Design. You can select the size chart template on the product editing page. Under the product data, size chart, select to use global, use the size charts applied to this product. Disable size chart. Or override with the one that differs from the global setting. Plugins support different positions where size chart appears on the product page. They can be before add to cart, before add to cart after variations, after add to cart, pop-up, product tab, description, bottom description, after title, after the meta, none. Go to your dashboard, size chart, settings, general. In the size chart type, select available options to display the size chart on the product page. It allows you to create and manage multiple size charts for products. Go to Settings, General, enable multi-size chart. You can assign multiple size chart templates to a product. Or go to the product editing page and override with multiple desired size chart. Shortcode allows you to easily display a specific size chart on any page of your site. In the size chart list, you will see the shortcodes associated with each size chart. For example, you can copy and paste the size chart shortcode in the product short description of a product. Export and import size chart via CSV. Allow to manage size charts for backup or editing, and importing them when needed. This applies for table size charts. Go to the Customize, Edit Table, Import or Export CSV file. Thank you for watching our video. Let's subscribe to update our useful video.